In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to allow students to view each other's responses. So let's say that you've created a quiz or started a conversation through Google Forms. To allow students to view each other's responses, all you need to do is go up to Settings, which is the cogwheel next to the purple send button, which is this one here. Then go down right to the bottom until you see Summary Charts and Text Responses. If you select that, and then click Save. What that has done is allowed students to view each other's responses. Now, if we were to preview it, and place our answer in, it comes up with two options: see previous responses or submit another response. If they were to click on see previous responses, it would open another tab and it would display all of the other responses, which is perfect for if students want to get ideas, give feedback and more.